Good morning to all. In this video, I am going to explain the analysis of milk for the lactose. The lactose which is present in milk, that we are going to analyze or estimate by the method, that is a Colles ferricyanide method. Now basically lactose, it is a major carbohydrate that is present in milk. It is a disaccharide. It made up of two smaller sugar units. The one is glucose and the second one is galactose. So the lactose which is present in milk, on an average the percentage is 4.5 to 5%, and it is less sweeter than our table sugar. So now for the estimation of lactose present in milk, so the one famous method, Colles ferricyanide method. Now the principle behind this method, it is a redox type of reaction. So we call it is the redox type of titration. So redox type of titration, that means one compound is oxidized and the second one get reduced. Now for this titration we are using a potassium ferricyanide, our milk, which contain the milk sugar, that is the lactose, and for that we are using the indicator methylene blue. Now this whole titration we are performing under the basic condition, under the alkaline condition. So during this titration, lactose solution is, or lactose is oxidized and the ferricyanide is reduced into the ferrocyanide. So finally, because of the methylene blue indicator, the lactose is converted into the glucose. Now we know that whenever we are performing the titration, so every time one part, that means one solution, we have to standardize. So here the whole titration, it is divided into the two parts, two steps. First one is standardization of ferricyanide solution. So here the 1% of potassium ferricyanide, we are titrating with the standard solution of lactose. So here we are not taken the milk solution or the milk sample, we directly taken the standard solution of lactose and we are titrating with the potassium ferricyanide by using the methylene blue indicator. Now the main part is second, that is of estimation. So for that we are taken the milk sample. So from this milk sample we are separating our proteins by using the coagulation method of dilute acetic acid. So in this video I am going to tell you how the estimation will be happen. So the first one is, so we are taken a potassium ferricyanide in our conical flask. Then we are adding the NaOH. So to create the alkaline condition, basic condition. Now after creating the basic condition, we are adding the methylene blue indicator in that solution. So this whole titration we are performing under the hot condition. So by creating the basic alkaline condition, we are adding the indicator, then we are heating this solution, and under this hot condition we are titrating with our milk sample which contain the sugar. So the color will change from green to blue, and then blue color turns into the colorless. So that is the color changes in this Colles ferricyanide method. So that lactose is converted into the glucose. So this method is applied basically for measuring the factors lactose present in milk. Thank you.